New game has been released and it's called MSIL by Cross and it's available on PC and mobile phones. And here you can choose the preferred gender you want. Meanwhile, there are 7 different classes available that you can choose. First is the warrior. This is the skins available preview. And this is the different skills effect. Second is the knight class. This is the skills. And third is jester class. And fourth is mage. Fifth is cleric. Sixth is the gourmet class. You can choose the preferred class upon reaching level 10. Choose wisely because there's no way to change class upon selecting one. The final class is the hunter. Come and play and see you in the game.